Good noon, Mr. Chair. Um, this is only 3 slides, no? I just like to show yung situation ng makeshift classroom sa amin. So we have 74. Um, I'll be requesting the Canva to be shown. So we have 74 makeshift classrooms, no? I know you've seen children going to school pag maulan na may payong. Pero in some of the makeshift classrooms that we've had, makikita nyo on the video, nakapayong sila sa loob ng classroom. Limang beses na akong bumalik doon and every time na sasabihin nila, Mayor, kailan na po maayos? It really breaks my heart dahil alam kong may pondo. We've exhausted our resources. Hindi naman walang ginagawa local government but we have very limited budget. Pinalala pa ito ng condition ngayon ng Super El Nino. Pag maulan, basang-basa ang mga bata. Yesterday, I had to cancel class dahil brown out. Last week, we had 49 degrees. No? Siksikan, as you can see in the picture, ang kanyang wall, yero, bubong, yero, lahat ng nakapalibot, yero. At alam ko, hindi lang sa lugar ko ito nangyayari. In some of the local governments that we have here, has the same problem. So we need to find ways. Hindi naman kami pwedeng mag-antay na lang na mag-antay. So kailangan din namin gumawa ng aming paraan. So we partner with some private organization. Next slide, please. You know what we've accomplished, Mr. Chair? We had a partnership with a corporate social responsibility of an energy corporation. They allotted and entrusted us with 3 million pesos. We were able to construct a 63 square meter brand new classroom. And aside from that, nakapag-repair pa kami ng 5 classrooms, including the roofing. 3 million lang po ito. Pero nagawa by administration construction ng local government. Posible po naman pala. Kaya naman po pala natin. Para lang po matugunan namin yung problema, dahil hindi dapat pag-antayin yung mga bata na ganun yung sitwasyon. I even issued an executive order, next slide, this is my last slide, even to encourage every department, national government agencies, even COMELEC, we did adopt a classroom program. For every department of the local government, for the national government agencies that's in Infanta, like the BFP, PNP, naganap po kami ng classroom na i-adapt namin para lang mapagawa ng CR, maisaayos, by using our own resources. What hurts us, alam nating may pondo. Pinagmamalaki natin na ngayon yung may pinakamataas na budget. Pero bakit hindi namin maramdaman sa local government? Yun po lamang yung gusto naming liwanagin. Yun po yung gusto namin bigyan ng kasagutan. Kaya nandito rin kami dahil every day is a struggle. Every day. Paghahanapan ko minsan, bakit ganito grades ninyo? Bakit napakababa ng National Achievement Test Score natin? Bakit ang CRLA natin ang baba? If you're in that condition, na yung mga bata halos maghubad na sa init, o pag pumapasok basang-basa, ganun talaga po yung magiging resulta. It's not a conducive learning situation. That's why, Mr. Chair, sabi ko nga, among the mayors, sana parang LGSF na lang. Download straightly to the local governments. 3 million, nakagawa po ako ng isang brand new classroom. Nakapag-repair pa kami ng 5 classrooms. Hindi po pwedeng patagalin. I believe in DepEd, in the leadership of DepEd, Secretary Angara, with our good USECs, USEC Ron, mga kilala ko po silang matitino, maayos, Director Hana, USEC MJ. Alam ko, they've been doing a lot of things. Yun lamang nasaan dito yung bottleneck. Yun po yung gusto malaman ng local government. If talagang mahirap, sabihin na natin baka namumualan, yung bang nagchuchoke na. Might as well, let's find avenues. You can trust the local governments. Kasi direkta po sa amin ng tao, pag nakita hindi maayos ang classroom, Mayor, kasalanan mo yan. Bakit bulok yung ginawa niyong classroom? Kaya mas lalo pong pagbubutihin. Kung natatagalan po tayo because of the process, imagine, in just validation, it took us almost 7 months just to validate bago tayo makapag-release ng fund. May problema po talaga at importanteng pag-usapan po ito ngayon, Sen.